Hello everybody, so today I will talk about the Lewis structure. So the, the chemical compound today is about aluminium oxide. That's about Al2O3. First, we need to know about the electron configuration of the aluminium and the oxygen. So I just draw in here 1s2, 2s2, 2b6, 3s2, 3b1, and oxygen is about 1s2, 2s2, and 2b4. First, you must to know that they share the electron and receive the electron at the outer layer, so that in the outer layer of the valence you can see that we have 3 electrons from the aluminium, 3s2, 2b1. In the oxygen we have 6 electrons of the outer layer, so that's the 2s2, 2b4. So to keep the stable in the bonding between the aluminium and the oxygen, they need to share electron and receive electron so that they can stable like the noble gas. From here we have 3 electrons of the outer layer of the aluminium, and we have 6 electrons of the oxygen in the outer layer. So in the aluminium they will share 3 electrons for the oxygen. So because we have 2 aluminium, so that we have 2 aluminium in here, and we have 3 oxygen in here, so that we draw 3 oxygen in here. You can see that 2 electrons they will share 1 oxygen in here. 1 and 1 form 2 aluminium, they share 2 electrons for this oxygen, and the last 2 electrons they share to the last oxygen. And you can see that if they share 3 electrons in the aluminium, so that the layer of the aluminium right now they will become 1s2, 2s2, 2b6 right now. And this is about the neon, and that's about electron configuration of the neon. So they want to keep the stable like the neon configuration in the oxygen, because you receive 2 electrons in here, so that 2b4 now they will become 2b6. And this is about the neon too. So you can see that after aluminium shared 3 electrons in here, and the oxygen they will receive next 2 electrons, so they will become the neon configuration to keep the stable when aluminum and oxygen meet together. So you can see that 3 oxygen in here, they got about 8 electrons in the outer layer like the noble gas, and aluminum they lost about 3 electrons, that now they become the neon configuration. So that we can draw about the Lewis structure in here. We have 2 aluminium and we have 3 oxygen. In the aluminium they lost about 3 electrons, that's why we have 3 plus. And because the oxygen receive more next to 2 electrons of the outer layer, that's why you got about 2 minus in here. So this is the answer for the Lewis structure, and I explained to you by the electron configuration, and I can help you to explain why they need to share and receive the electron in here. So that's the end. Thank you for watching.